Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Pace with your Bank of America account. First, you don't need to download anything. Pace works directly with your bank's online security. At participating online stores, when you're ready to check out, enter your phone number or email. You'll receive a one-time verification code to confirm your identity. Next, select the card you want to use. And Pace will autofill your payment and shipping information from your Bank of America account. And that's it! Your purchase is complete, fast, secure, and easy. And that's how to use Pace with your Bank of America account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.